the drones really came to as a suggestion from one of our fire prevention inspectors during the pandemic. He came up with the idea that one of the easiest ways for us to conduct inspections, on-site inspections, especially rooftop inspections, would be utilizing a drone rather than having to set up a ladder and climb up. At the same time he had kind of thought of that, the government released a grant to the fire services where we were able to access some funding for new methods for training and inspection during the pandemic. And that's where we brought up this idea of the drone, submitted for the grant, received the grant, and were able to bring it in. The initial class with 5 of our inspectors and our IT specialists getting trained and licensed to pilot the drone, and that was really our foray into this technology. Recently we just graduated another 4 to give us 9 for total, and we're really looking at expanding on that and growing the program and increasing our capabilities.
Drone technology is very important to the fire service at the end of the day because we're looking at a variety of aspects. Drone training, software, we're talking about the whole envelope for the fire station. We're actually proud to be partnered with Central York Fire Services in this regard, as we actually brought 9 of their members through this training program.
Headed out to a number of calls where we're able to set the FLIR camera up and see infrared, the temperature differentiations. We've done training exercises with it where we've mapped out properties. We've headed to the station during construction a number of times to conduct the site views.
It is a specific training course or modules that we actually put the fire service through. So everything when we go through fire prevention, through software training, specifically looking at orthomosaic, accident scene recreation, those are some of the things that are a part of the fire prevention program and the toolkits that they may have. When we look at fire suppression, more or less, we're looking at also a drone fly through. In addition to that, thermal infrared technology.
As we move forward, we're going to be able to deploy this at large-scale incidents, provide us real-time video and feedback on what's going on. So it's just going to expand how we're able to operate not just within the prevention division, but within the suppression division as well.